Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about clairaudience. You must have heard about other psychic abilities such as psychometry, mediumship, dowsing, and many more. Clairaudience is one such psychic ability that comes under that umbrella of clairs. So it comes from the French word where clairs means clear, audience means to hear. So together it means clear hearing. So that is, you can hear beyond hearing, not the physical kind of hearing. It's almost a spiritual thing. So you actually hear voices that can be from your spirit guides, from your loved ones who have passed over, and it is sometimes it is a voice that you hear in your dream. And what really is important here is that they have a meaning to it. You have some kind of a purpose here, and they provide the kind of guidance and help that you really need at that particular point. So signs of clairaudience can differ depending on the person who is receiving it and on the type of spiritual guides that come through to work with you. However, here are some common ways that you can tell that you have this ability. You can hear voices which come from outside, that is like hearing from a spirit guide or a loved one, or from inside, that you hear a voice in your head. You can hear footsteps or some kind of a noise that you know very well nobody is around you at that point. You experience a kind of a ringing in your ears. This ringing can indicate that a loved one or your guardian angel is trying to communicate with you. Then as a child you must have had a spirit friend or something like that with whom you could communicate with, and this friend would have been your spirit guide in one of your previous lives, and they would have come in this form that as a child you could understand and not be afraid of. Clairaudience and clairvoyance are often linked. You kind of see messages, and it's almost like visions. So you can hear and see at the same time. For example, you can see a fire and you can hear the burning sound also. But before you decide you are a clairaudient, please go have a thorough checkup with a licensed professional, because I'm just giving you an example here. Ringing in the ears can mean that yes, a spirit guide or a guardian angel is trying to communicate with you, but on the physical level it can also mean tinnitus. So please have a checkup before you decide that it actually is a clairaudient. Now, psychics who have this ability are often good listeners and good advisors. Consulting with such a verified clairaudient is very helpful in many ways, because they tend to confirm your skills and they help you get additional guidance for the messages that you hear. And you can actually build up this ability by paying attention to the sounds and noises around you. Our everyday life is so full of thoughts, busy thoughts, work. Our minds are so full of ideas and problems that we tend to ignore the actual sounds that are around us. So if you want to develop this ability, quiet is the key word here. What you need to do is find a calm and quiet place, quieten your mind a little bit, have some quiet time, close your eyes, tune into the sounds that are natural and try to listen. For example, you can listen to different kinds of sounds like the chirping of the birds, the rustle of the leaves, the wind, squirrels. These are all sounds that you do not hear because of the loud noise in your mind. So each sound is unique. Become a better listener, and with practice you will actually become a good clairaudient. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please do click like button and share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon above for further notifications. So until we meet again with a new topic, here's Gladys signing off. Do take care. Bye bye.